Eating a vegan diet is so good for you in so many ways, starting off first from lowering your weight. So it's preventing and reversing obesity and all the problems that come out of obesity. So you lose weight several ways from eating a vegan diet. One of them is that it's got a very high burn rate. So that means when you're eating vegan food for about 3 hours after a meal, you're burning 16% faster. So your metabolism is amped up so that you don't have to do anything different than just eating a plant-based meal. The second thing is that you decrease your chances of getting cancer by 40%, heart disease by 50%, and type 2 diabetes by 60%. And in fact, you can reverse your type 2 diabetes within a couple of weeks just by switching to a plant-based vegan diet. Same for heart disease. Of course, consulting your physician. You can actually reverse your heart disease by switching from animal protein to a plant-based diet. Very, very simple.